Welcome to my channel. Today we will continue the Schneider Vijeo Designer as part 2. In this video, we will create the Modbus memory mapping with 3 different methods by using Schneider Unity Pro and assign the memory mapping in the Excel sheet. Then we will add the variables in Vijeo Designer and change the device address formats. Then we will create the screen panels by using graphical toolsets. After that, we will assign the tags and linked with graphical tools and add the alarms also. Finally, we will create the security and access level. Then we will simulate the screens by using Visual Designer runtime. Now we will continue with the earlier created videos which we created Excel sheet and Unity Pro application. If you see here in the left side, we already created the signal list for 2 pumps with level and flow and pressure transmitters. In the right side, we use the Unity Pro which we used in the previous exercise. If you see here, we already used bit 2 word. The bit 2 word, see if you see here, run, trip, moisture, temperature, everything we added as a bit and it will be taken as a word. The word is we will take as one word directly from all the bits. This is the one way we can create bit 2 word directly. Okay, and this word you can take with one memory word directly and it will be configured in the SCADA from the here %MW 250. See, therefore I created in the Excel sheet SCADA mapping address with the same with that same .1, .2, .3 like this. So this is the one method. Second method, if you go here, ladder logic. If you see here, we created here in the left side we added all the physical input. In the right side we added memory address. In the third one, if you see here, we added all by you moving bit to physical address to memory address. So this is the 3 way we can add the address. Okay, and now what I will do now, I will add here for the same address here. Just I will add SCADA memory mapping address 2 and I will use the physical address, ladder directly ladder logic, or you can use by FPD the same way. In the ladder logic, just we created here, see the physical address in the left side and the right, it will be directly moved to %M10, M11, M12 up to M25. So I will add the same address in the Excel sheet now. See here, just I will add M10 up to M25. Once we added, for the DO it's not required to add anything. See the same address I added here. If you go for analog, see we already have the address %MW 400, 402, 4, 6 and 8. If we go in the Excel sheet, we already added here. See here, the same address it will come for the here also. Just I will copy and paste the same address, and for this is for level, flow, pressure 1 and pressure 2. So this is the first step we will create in the Unity Pro and in the Excel sheet. After we create this memory mapping list, see the same memory mapping list, just we will open the with Schneider Vijeo Designer application, and I will go here in the application, in the demo. See the IO memory mapping we added 2 before in the first part. See this is our IP address, and in this what we will do now in the memory mapping IO manager, I will show you in the equipment. This is the address, and here it's mentioned IEC 61131 syntax. If you not select this one, and it will show the address like 33,000, 30,000, 40,000 like this. But if you select the IEC, I will show you in the variables now. When you open the pop-up, see this one we created at the first part. So I will open the same application. See this one also, one tank, one pump, one valve. No, in the first part. So I will close and open the variables now. Double click the variables and you see this is the one we added before. If you see the device address, it mentioned all 30,300,400 like this. No? But in our case, I added memory word. So this one, if you see here in the basic properties of the each tags, I will add now one tag example, pump, underscore run 1. So pump 1 underscore run. So this one I will use this one as boolean. Click boolean. Then you have here internal and external. So if you see the equipment address, we are using equipment number 01, not 02. So 010 you have to select here in the scan group. After you select the equipment, if you have here internal and external, the internal means it will be we can take like internal address of the it will not use for external. No, this is the internal address. If I go for external, you can select in the downside of the device address here, and it will be shown only 00, 1, 00 and 300 and 40. This is the standard Modbus address. No? So one is 00 means write, 100 means read, 300 read, and 400 means it is read and write holding registers. So you need to know the Modbus address before that, and if you see, you can select the indirect address also, and here you can make some calculation. After that it will go to the address directly. So in our case, we in the Excel sheet, if you open our Excel sheet, it will show you all percentage MW. How we will add here MW? So what we need to do now, I just need to be close the application. What I will do now, I will just copy. See, if you click here, the Modbus, not here, in the Modbus equipment, here you have IEC syntax, na? IEC 61131 syntax. So you have to change that one to, and even you see here M580 redundant CPU variables also you can configure here in this place. But our case, you have to select this IEC 61131 and change the, see you have option 0 based and 1 based default. So you can select any one of that, and I will select 1 based Unity quantum, and all the address it will be changed as per that IEC 61131 format. Continue. Just I will give 0 based, I will give continue, and after I created, if you see here the equipment, you can, because this one it will show only 3 and 4, but this is integer. But our case, I will change to boolean, and I need to go to, see here, even though if it is not, because still the Modbus scan group is Modbus equipment 2. See our here it's equipment 1. See here, if you see, if you open the Modbus equipment 1, it is all changed to %MW like this, because we already changed this one to IEC format, IEC 61131 formats. So what I will do now, I need to be change the Modbus equipment, all the equipment should be %M. See here, all the address format is %M, MW like this. So I need to change the address format. See, if you change like this, it will work now. See, whenever after you change the IEC format in the Modbus equipment, you have to change here all the variables also. This is our Modbus equipment 1, therefore it is showing you 00. But if you click in the Modbus equipment, and you have to change this one to 1, double click the scan group. See here in the scan group, you have to change that Modbus equipment range. Therefore it it's showing 00, see here. And then after that if you select the device address in the Modbus TCP, it will be automatically changed to %m. So now you have to give your address. See, for this is all previously we created now, so I will give some temporary address for this all 5 tags. After that we will create for our tags. So for the tank level I will put and Modbus equipment number 1, and I will give 105. So I will save this application because this is all old tags, and I will try to create with the new tags now, because now our plan to create for 2 pumps tags and 1 tank level with flow pressure as per the IO list and level. See, now I will add this new tag called pump 1 underscore run, and I will select the equipment number 1, and I will keep this one same address %m10. See, it's come here m10. So I will copy the same for pump, all the pumps. See, this one it's related with the IEC 61131 tag. So once you added this device address, just copy this one and paste. Now I will add for pump 1 trip. After you add the pump 1 trip, change the address, device address, and copy paste these 2. Just drag and copy these 2. Select both how many you need and paste. Just paste down. See, it's added both. So just change this one to pump 1 underscore moisture temperature, MOIS alarm, moisture temperature alarm. So I will add here moisture alarm. Then I will give the address for that 12 device address, and I will change this one to binding temperature. So I will add temperature alarm. So this one I will give 13. So once I added these 3, again I will add again 2, and this one I will add for pump 1 or 2, and the address I will change to 14. So I added for the first for 1 pump now completely. So I will copy paste this all. I will paste here. See, now I will add for pump 2. Now pump 2 run, and the address is %m15, and pump 2 trip, and the address is 16. And if you go for moisture temperature alarm also, pump 2 moisture alarm, and this address is 17, and pump 2 moisture alarm, and this one I will assign as %m18, and I will assign the final one pump 2 underscore auto, and this is 19. %m19 for the pump 2 auto. Just I will verify with the Excel sheet, and I will add this one as pump 2 auto. See, now we created for the 2 pumps, and we have 2 more alarm called tank level low and tank level high in the Excel sheet. So I will follow the same again, and this one I will change to tank level low level alarm. So I will give the address is 20 and high level alarm, and I will assign this one as %m21 as per the Excel sheet and the unit application. So this one it's created now, and now I'm going to add the real value. Here I will add here. Already we have tank level now for the first one, so I will use the same but little bit differ. See, I will copy the text. See here we already used no? So this is one tag, and this see here. If you see in the Excel sheet, you already have the address no? For the tank level. See level, and you can see the address %MW 400. This is the address no? So I will use the same address here. I will give here sum tank level, sum underscore tank level, and here I will give the address %MW 400, and it is telling that this because this one because the address is not changing because of the scan group name is wrong. See, if you see the message, it is telling that invalid address mismatch, data length is 16-bit register. This means where is the mistake? See here, double click and you can see here the address format. See, it is 4000 and 3000. This means the Modbus equipment name is wrong. So I change it now. If we enter now, it is okay. %MW 400. See here, it's okay. And I will add this one as alarm. See, you can add here the same thing here as for alarm also. See here, and you can add the logging also group, and you can directly add here also alarm group and logging group, because this is analog no? So you have to log for historical data. And I will add this one for now discharge flow, DISH underscore flow, and I will the device address I will give as 402 as per the program, and I will add this one as pressure pump pressure 1 and pump pressure 2. Now I will add pump pressure, and the address is 404, and again I will copy paste. I will add for pump 2 pressure, and the address is 406. So now we added almost all the tags. So I will save this application. Once I saved, see, our part is completed now to add all the variables. See, this is the first page we created earlier now. So I need to add new panel, and you see here the panel name, you can change the name also. I will give here pump underscore station, and you see here default it is coming black screen. I will change this color to any color which one you like, example gray. And here you see that there is many options here for master panel, and also functional key you can add everything, height, length, everything. Height, length it will be default, remaining all you can change. And if you see the tool chest, you can add here all the symbols here in the symbol factory. You can see this one overview in the Vijeo Designer as part 1. And if you here, just what I will do now, before adding this one, I will show the properties here. You see here, you can change this property by changing to dots or lines, and also you can change the to snap to grid and show this bar. See, your ruler left side, and all the rulers you can remove from this place also. And this is the major like overview of the panel screen. Okay, Now if you go for tool chest, you have all the functionality, and if you see here, even you can add the bitmap also from importing. See here I can create, now I can go to desktop. See here I have symbols, no? So I can add the symbol directly. So in the first video I told, no, you can add the symbols by you creating from the bitmap directly from here. You can import the JPG or PNP or any bitmap images. So I will add now for the pumps. Once I will just add again. See, you can change the color of the background as well as per that. So if you go here, if you put this graphics tool, no? If you select the background, it will become as transparent. But which one you are using from the import, you have to put the same color of the background, then it will be visible very good. Otherwise it will be show with different colors. See, I will add one tank in the tank area, and I will make a big size for this tank. See, you cannot do by directly, but just even you can adjust the tank height from the left side of the properties as well, or you can drag and drop like this. See, once you drag, you can see the properties is changing in the left side of the properties inspector. So once you change I added the tank. Now again I will import the pumps here. I will import for all the 3 pumps: pump run, pump stop, and pump trip. See, and if you see, each one have different sizes. So I need to adjust this one and make everything to be one uniform. No? So just I will select, and you can see here the properties: transparent color as well as stretch. See here, and you can change the display mode, and also you can change the mirror, transparent mode, everything. And now what I will do, I will put the same color of the background color of the pumps, so it will be not visible much more. And even see, I will put still, see, now you cannot see the background of that pump. See, it will be the same color. And I will change the width and height of the pumps. See here, by changing directly here, or you can drag and change the size of the pumps also directly by symbols, but it is very easy here to change with uniformly. In the left property inspector you can change easily. See, I can make all the 3 pumps in same size, 80, width 80 and height 80. If you put all uniform, like you can make a group also with select all 3 and make a group as well, or you can order and keep everything in one place. See here all the 3. You can make horizontal, vertical, or in the central, and you make a group also. See, in the property you can see here position, touch, and visibility. If you go for visibility, here you have to visible this pump trip. So if you select here, example, I will select now pump trip, pump temperature alarm or pump trip. See, it's added here in the expression. Once you added OK, it will be added directly. This will be enabled whenever the pump is trip, and when you need to be blink. This one also has to give the property here, the pump trip, same pump underscore trip. See, and you can give the speed here, slow or fast. In our case we need to be make or, because any one of the signal is coming here, it will be give alarm to us. If you make and, you have to give, if all 3 signals is coming as one, then only it will give you alarm. But our case, any one of the pump is either trip or moisture alarm or winding temperature alarm, it should be shown as alarm. So I will add here just pump one trip. Then see here you have, see this option, you have to make in the enter upside, in the keyboard button you can find this one in the upside of the enter. So you have to add this one as and, you have to add two symbol, that one, like this is a special character after the close bracket, and after that you have to add this one for pump temperature alarm. Sorry, it will be replaced now if you click here directly. So what I will do now, I will go to this place and I will select the pump 1 temperature alarm. First I will add pump temperature trip, then see in the expression this place itself you can add directly pump 1 underscore trip, then I will add this and, then I will put the cursor in this place, see in the pump trip, then I will add here, see here directly moisture alarm, see it's added here in the upside of the expression. See now you can see pump trip, but it's again repeated pump trip, pump moisture alarm. So I can change this one to pump temperature. This is the way how we can add the and or alarm. Similarly you can copy paste also. So this is the way how you can create the animation for visibility. Now I will add for pump run. See here, just I will add, and the expression just add the pump run and give OK. Whenever the pump run, it will be enabled, it will come as visible. So I added these 3 pumps, and for the pump stop it will be default, don't need to add any animation. So you can make a select all 3 and copy paste these 3 because you need for pump 2 also, no? So you select here and get change to pump 2. See here I given pump 2 trip, again pump 2 repeated trip, but in your case you can add moisture alarm or any other trip as well. So I will add for pump 2 also, and I will select all 3 together. And if you see in the upside, you have option to see to make a horizontal and to align with the vertical also. See here, once you assigned, it will be automatically assigned. See here, this tree. I think this pump is little bit, the size is little bit differ. The here it is 80/80 and pump trip is 80/60, so I will put 80/80 as well. See now if you move, it will be all in same size. So now after you select all 3 together, and you can make as a group also. See this is multiple selection, and you can make a group here in the upside. Once you select the group, it will be automatically grouped. See here, and you can move and drag and drop in anywhere. Similarly this one also I will select for the bus pump also. So 80 height. So I will align these 3 tags together as same size. After I put the height 80, I will select these 3 together. See here, or I can see here, just select all 3 and put arrange, see here, vertical and horizontal, and it will be in one shape. So after you assigned, see here, you have a lot of option to make align here. See these 2 pumps, it's aligned and it is in the place. Now what I will do in the tank, I will add the some slider in the tank. So I will use this vertical graph, bar graph, to show the value of the tank level. So I will add here. See, once it's added, you have to change the property of the bar graph. See here in the left side you can see the height is 200 and integer and variable not assigned, so it's showing red color. Just I will put in the proper place of the tank. Once I aligned, then I will select other display as well. See here, before that what I will do now, I will add the pipes for the this as per the pumping station. Just I will make some piping also. See, before that I will just move the pumps in the right side, then I will go to the pipes and I will try to take some 90% like right and left curves angles, then I will add in the pipe directly. This will take little bit time because you need to put properly, you need to assign this all the piping, no? So it will take little bit time. So here, see here, if you select any one of the pipe, you can see the property in the left side. You can adjust from the left side directly. See, now I will try to put this one better. I will add this right angle. See here, and the size you see here. Once you click the pipe, you can see the height of the pipe and you can change from this left side of the property. Similarly for the elbow also. Just I will add 20. It looks very small, so I will change to maybe 40. For the width also I will change this 40. See, it will be added like same size. Or you can change this one to 30. I think that is very similar to that, yeah. Or 34, yeah. You need to be check this size properly. Once you assign, yeah, I will add for the remaining pipes as well now. So I will check the vertical pipe now. See here, short vertical pipe. Just drag and drop and put the same size 20. And arrange with the piping. So it will be added in the right side. See, in the left side, sorry, in the width you can adjust the size. Then after that, if you need, you can see it will be automatic. You can adjust by using the cursor or mouse directly. So once you added these pipes, see, I will select the width here, say similar to that same. because it is little bit differ size. So once I adjusted, I will add 2 more pipes also. Yeah, it's added now, and I am going to add the I think right T also as well, and this T pipe, just you can change the size by using this property. See, it's already we added the properties for the T pipe. Once you added, just I will add the pipe here. Think it's perfect now. Just I will copy paste the same pipe, T pipe upside also, and also the vertical pipe. I will just add bigger size, so it will be matched properly. So at the end of the pipe, I just add the flange, vertical flange, and I will make smaller size for that flange. See, even the adjustment you can make from the left side of the property. Once it's assigned, because the range is you can use up to 9,000, 1 to 9,000, the height and width of the any of the equipment. So once you added, just I will copy paste the pipe. Okay, I just copy the pipe for the horizontal and I'll put for the pump one as well. Okay, once I added, just I will add the pipe to join between the 2 pumps. This one you have to follow as per the piping and instrument P and ID in your specification or in your drawing. Based on that, you have to make your drawing, because this is for just for demonstration purpose. So I will use one just pumping 2 pump station only. I will join these two pumps and I will make one common pipe for between these two pumps. So I will use some like a 90% curve, so it will be looks very good. So just adjust this pipe as per based on that size of your existing pipe. Once you adjusted the pipes, see here I already I think this is a little bit bigger, so I will use this one for 36. Even 36, I think it is. I will check now. It is okay, or yes. I think this is little bit bigger, but it's okay. Maybe I will try with 33. Yes, 33 is okay. So I will make the same similar size for the upper side also. Even if you can take and you can rotate the same pipe. See, you can keep and make rotate. Right click or rotate, or you have the property upside. So just see, now we added this both between, and I will copy paste one more pipe for vertical. I will add in between these two. See here, okay. And I need one more vertical pipe. This pipe I will put little bit bigger, because this is this will take between these two now. Like this is a common discharge pipe, so I will put not 40, around 30. Yeah, I think 25 it's okay. Just I will put in between these two. Okay, now we add all the pipings. So in our case now, okay, before that I will put one T to put in between this the discharge area. Just I will change the width of that elbow. Maybe this height. Still I need to reduce to 46. I think it's okay now. Okay. I think this one I will reduce to width is 38 or 36. Okay, now we will add the instrument side now, because now we need to add two pressure and one flow. No? So just I will select the sensors. From the sensors you have lot of instruments here. So I just take the, before that I will add the level transmitter, radar level. Just I will put the radar sensor symbol. Once you add the radar sensor symbol, see I will add in the top of the tank, little bit tight. Yes. After that I need to put the display of the tank as well. Before that I will add the pressure transmitter for the pump 1 and pump 2 line, like pressure 1 and pressure 2. I will see this size is almost okay, so I will copy paste the same size. for the pressure transmitter. Once you put the pump 1 pressure and pump 2 pressure, then I need to be add one more called flow transmitter. So I will search one of the flow transmitter sensors here. If I go still down, I think I have microwave sludge display flow transmitter, no? So I will use that one. Yes, this one. Just I will adjust the size. Okay, perfect. So now we added one level transmitter, two pressure transmitters, and one common discharge flow meter. Once we added these four instruments, now I need the display for this. So what I will do now, I will go to this, before that I will save this application. Once you've saved, you can find the display here. See here the numeric display. Now here you have option for numeric displays, drag and drop. So this is the display. So I will just add, double click the property. Or just I will adjust the display size. After that, double click the property. Or you can adjust the size in the left side of the property also. Just I will adjust the display downside and copy paste the remaining for all the instruments. Okay, perfect. Now once we added this all the display, then I will put the text upside. See here I can add the text in the text editor. I can add the names, tank level. Once you select the tank level, just drag and change the size as well, and change even the color in the left side. You can find all the text color, back color, line color, everything. Copy this tank level and put for all the equipments. This is pump 1, and I'll add for pump 2. Copy paste the pump 1. Even I can increase the size, and I will change the font style, height, style, and everything we have option here, and even the width, line width, everything you can change from here. The left side of the property of all the text, and as well as the any of the equipments you are using in the page. So here you see here, you can use here also as well. The property, if you double click, you can change the font style, bold. So I will copy paste the pump 1 for pump 2 also. Double click and change to pump 2. And also I can copy this same text for pressure pump, pump 1 pressure as well, and pump 2 pressure. So I will put pressure 1. And same copy paste for pressure 2. Copy and paste for pressure 2. Double click the pressure 2 text and change this one 1 to 2. And similarly for flow. Sorry, I put pressure 3, but it is flow. Discharge flow. So we add all the text, everything. So in the tank level, if you click, you need to be add now properties. No? So if you go here, you have see input mode general. No? Here in the variables, double click the variables, and you can find here you need to select in this variable list for tank level, some tank level. Yes, select the tank level, and you see here the 6-digit number. Now, so I don't need 6-digit. I need 2 display digit, 2, 3 or 2. See, for the tank level, I think 10 meter or 15 meters enough. So I will put 2.2, and decimal format is decimal, and the data type you have to change to float. Once you change the float, the format it should be fixed. And also, if you go for input mode, see in general you can use the you can see the setting also. See here the unit you can change, you can add the unit as well. See, I will show you in this pressure one. Add for pressure 1, pump 1 pressure, and change to float display digits to 2, and see here, and you can see the unit here. See, you in the unit you can change this one to example bar. Once you put the bar in the left, it will be appear directly with the digits. So what I will do now, see, it will be appear directly. So I need some space. So I will just make into between and change. See, now it will have some good space. Similar for the pressure 2. Float variable, select the variable and add the pressure 2 and change the display digit to 2.2, and it is fixed, and change this unit to bar as well, and give OK. Similarly for discharge flow, double click, change the value to discharge flow, the first one, sorry, the first one itself discharge flow, no? Okay, add this and change this one to float, and you can give here 4 digit. So because the flow meter, it will come up to 4 to 5 digit, no? So it is okay for 4 digit, and I'll give here cubic meter per hour. This is the flow meter unit, so I will add this flow meter unit for this. So this is little bit bigger now, so it is showing like in the down. So I will add the same size, or I will drag bigger size. So I will see here the 4 digit plus unit, and for the tank level as well, I will give the unit to meter. See, once we added, just save this application. Now this is the overview how to add the screens, and now I will try to build the application. See, it will come one error, because the error, if you click upside, you can see the error. What is this error? It is expression is invalid, because you already had this bar graph now, so you not added before the tags, so you need to add the tag. See, sub tag. Once you add the tag, you have to give minimum and maximum. I will give maximum where ranges of the tank is 0 to 10 meter. And with this one, number of divisions, how many divisions you need now, minor and major divisions, everything you can add. This is the setup for the graph, bar graph display. Even you can change the color also. See, for the indicators. Even you can change the background color of the, see here, if I put white, see, it will be everything white in the background. So I will put again the same color. the plate. I will put gray color. Even you can change the 3D text here and also text color. I can give example white or any of the color if you need. See, once I give, see, you can change that, you can see the changes. So now we almost had everything in the graphics and we configured as well. Now I will rebuild again. See, now there is no error, just we have some warnings. Now we will troubleshoot this warning also. See, there is warning because your alarm message is property is empty. So what we need to do, each of the alarm property is empty. So we need to be add the property of the alarm, like description of the alarm. See here, if you go for alarm group, you have these alarms. There is the alarm message is empty. See here, if you go for alarm, you can find here the current alarm message. You see, you can add this one: low, 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 normal, high, active, acknowledge, everything. So once I click the first one, discharge flow, or you can add directly from here. See, this is just message, but you need to be add the description in the tag of the property, not here. This is just one message. Example, I will put the same message here: pump trip, pump pressure, and also I will add tank level. This is also tank level, pump to pressure, and also flow. Pump, I will put here pump on pressure, and I will give here discharge flow. So this one I added. If you see in the history, see, you can see here. If you double click any one of, see the trip, pump one trip, I add the alarm group, and if and all the pump trip, I will add the alarm. This is also temperature alarm and moisture alarm. See, if you go here alarm, you have here to create also. See here, alarm message. See here in the configuration, touch action, alarm message, and also in the description here. This is just for description. This is not the alarm. Just I will copy paste the same description each of the. This is just like a variable description only. But if you go for alarm, see, I am selecting alarm here directly. No? So if I go in the properties, again I will show you for that where you need to put the alarm message. But this variable, I will put the variable description only, and I will select the alarm. Pump to trip, I will copy paste. See here pump trip, just I'll copy paste as pump trip. Here tank level, and this one I will just configure the login level also. See, this is here only you have to give the name, tank level example. See here, So similarly, if you go for other alarm message, this is trigger. Even if you need to trigger the buzzer on touch or add here, see, even you can activate the alarm by adding the any buttons also. And if you go for all the alarm groups, see, these all alarms which we added recently, it's not added any messages because you have to add in this place. See here, I will give here pump moisture alarm, pump 1 moisture alarm. So I will copy paste. Pump 2 I will change to moisture alarm, and also I will give pump 2 trip here, pump 1 temperature alarm. Sorry, it's small, but I will change to caps again. Pump 1 temperature alarm. Similarly, I will give for pump 2 temperature alarm. Then pump 2 trip. Also pump 1 trip. Okay, then I will save this application. Now I will try to build the application. See, now you will find only one warning. Because this is a warning, this enable the download security to unauthorized access. So I will show you here how to access, add the access. Even you can enable the security by directly here, but we need use security. See here, before using the security, you have to add the groups, group security level and everything. So you just add here. See here, there is properties and add new group. I will give security group name as default, and you have to change here. See here, download security allowed, and also you can give the security level as well. And also for this download security you given allowed, and the remaining you be given like data management security, web security, web server and video designer are be given as denied. So I will add one more user called, I will create admin, and I will give the same password, username and password admin, and I will add this one. Even you see here, you can add as a fingerprint also, and the security group you can add 0 security group number 1. So it's added the new user for that security group. And you see here, you can give even read write, and you can give here allowed. This 2 it's default. So once you saved, or I will give here this one as default. See here, download security is still disabled. Okay, this one there is no. See, after you add the security groups, the download security or data management security, see, the data management security, the deny is unaccessed. You can find this detail in the left side of the property. See, this security is unauthorized access. No, this one. See the download security in this place. This target security, and you see here it's all disabled because the security is disabled completely. Use security. See here. This is target security level based, and this is for whenever you are downloading. You can, if you enable, you need to be give password, username and password. See, therefore it is telling that it is enabled, the target security is enabled, but the WebGate and other thing is disabled. WebGate and also Vijeo Designer AR is disabled. This is the only functionality for target security. And if you go, I will just add one more group for just showing to you. In this second group, I will put the same download security disabled, and I will add data management security also. See here, this security for this it will not affect, but for the download you have to give security should be enabled. Once you give the USB media installed, is use security. See here, once you still I will just give built-in. See now it's become green, and there is no warning or error because I use the download security as use security. And now this is okay for us now. So this is the overview how we added the screens, how you enable the securities, and at least how we configured the animations, tags, links, everything. See now what I will do now, I will make a simulation for this, because we have here in Vijeo Designer you can make a simulation directly. Even you can connect your PLC and connect directly to the simulator. If the PLC is connected with your laptop, with your machine, it will be directly simulate directly here. See here, when I make a runtime, it is showing the first one because this is the first one in the graphics panel. So it is showing that one. So the best way, you just change the name and change directly. See here, I will just give panel ID name to 2, or I will just give this one as 1, and the second panel old one I will give as 2. See now the pump station 1 and 2. So just I change the panel ID, again I will rebuild. I will make a simulation now, Vijeo Designer runtime. See now it's automatically given the runtime. So now I did not connect with any PLC currently, so you can see the error. See, failed to open the connection to the PLC. To the Modbus equipment 1, it is not connected, or Modbus equipment 2 as well. But in your case, we given everything here Modbus equipment 1, so it is showing like this. See, all it is showing that 0 0 and there is no value. Now we will conclude the Vijeo Designer as part 2. In this video, you seen already how we make the Modbus memory mapping and how we linked with the Vijeo Designer in the variables, and we added some screens, and we make the animation for the screen and with alarms, and finally we make the security access and made the simulation with the runtime. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, kindly press the like button. If you need more videos, kindly comment in the comment section. And also if you not subscribed, kindly subscribe my channel. And this knowledge need to be shared to everyone. So kindly share to your friends and your network. Thank you.